I'm Judi the Organizer and creator at Rescue My Space. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to organize a small wallet. So let me just give you a backstory on the type of wallets I used to have. So back in the days, I used to carry around, I'm saying back in the days, but this is not too long ago. I used to carry around a very average size rectangular wallet. I always looked for a lot of card slots and a few zippers to hold change and just other things I didn't want in my slots. And yeah, they worked pretty well. But the only issue that I had is I was always constantly replacing my wallet. The stores I would usually purchase my wallets were at Walmart, Ross, which is a place I frequented a lot, Target, which is where I purchased my last wallet, and even TJ Maxx. So these were just places that I would go to because they usually have really inexpensive wallets, and that was kind of the type of wallets I used to like buying. So my issue with those type of wallets were they wouldn't last me longer than a year. And by the time the year was ending, they were just worn. I mean, worn to where the thread would come out. It just looked so old and raggedy, and I just didn't like presenting that to everyone else. It was kind of embarrassing, let me be honest. So for Christmas, I decided to go to Coach and buy me a nice wallet. I actually went into Coach thinking I was gonna buy me a purse or a bag, and then I came out buying this wallet. So because I am now into buying more sustainable products, more sustainable items, I wanted to buy a wallet of quality. And to me, that is Coach and a lot of other luxury brands, but you know, you wanna make sure that you're within your budget, a comfortable budget, which is why I went to Coach. And I just really believe that Coach has really nice quality items without breaking the bank. So because of that, I bought this wallet, as you probably just saw already. I really am obsessed with this wallet. So if you watched any of my Vlogmas videos, you probably saw when I purchased this wallet. And if you haven't seen it, I will leave the link below. But I absolutely love this wallet. It's much smaller than any of the wallets that I ever purchased ever in my life. And honestly, it holds the items that I deem as important. All the cards I deem as important, all of everything. So I will be going through this and showing you guys what exactly is in this wallet, how I pretty much have been able to downsize into a much smaller wallet, and yeah, what it looks like. So with that said, let's get right into the video. So before we continue, make sure you like this video, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe below. All right, let me go show you what my wallet looks like in real life. Nope, in real time. No, up close and personal. Yes, up close and personal. Better. All right, guys, this is my wallet. Isn't she a beaut? Isn't she a beaut? So off the top, the material, the leather material is pebbled. And I love material like that because that means I can kind of throw it around and manhandle it a little bit and you won't see any scratches. You can already see something there, but whatever. Which I love because that means it's gonna look like this for a long time. Another great thing about Coach is within a year, you can have this part fixed. So I do like, you know, if there's that normal wear and tear, Coach is willing to fix this part for free. So I do like that. So outside of the leather, the pebbled leather, there is a Coach logo on the wallet. And the best thing I love about the logo is it's the same color as the leather. So it kind of blends in, but it still stands out, you know? There also is some scuffing on it because just a normal wear and tear, and I'm okay with that. I like that. It shows that I actually use my wallet. So let's start off with the back of the wallet. So when you turn the wallet to the back, there is a pocket. Who knew? I love this pocket because this is where I keep my really important item, which is my driver's license. So I'm gonna carefully take out my driver's license. So I have my driver's license in here because for those times I need my driver's license, I don't have to open up my wallet. All I have to do is look in the back and pull it out. I still get carded. It just makes me feel young, but we all know I'm not that young. So yes, I do. Whenever I do get carded or need my driver's license, it's in the back here. So it's just really easy to get out. I don't have to think about it. It stays here. This is the place for it. I put it back in here. So yeah, I love this pocket. So when you turn the wallet over, back over to the front, you open it up and there are the card slots. So I'm gonna hold it like this just so I can keep it open. As you can see, there's only 1, 2, 3 card slots and a pocket behind it, which means you're only really able to have 3 cards in here comfortably. You can double it up and have 6, but it's going to stretch out the pocket, which is something that I don't want to do. But you can have a total of 6 cards in here, only if you double it up per card slot. So I have 3 of my major cards here. Those are the only cards I bring with me all the time. If I do need another type of card, I put it in another area. So behind this card, I do have another card, which is an emergency card. So in the case I cannot use these 3 cards and I need another card, I do have a 4th card behind here. It just kind of stays tucked in. You can't even see it. So this pocket behind the card slots can also be used as a card slot, but it is the deepest of the 3 card slots. So I don't really consider it a card slot. How many times can I say card slot? A lot. I consider it to be an additional pocket. I do have a piece of paper in there that I say don't throw away. I think it's something with Bitcoin. Yes, I was into Bitcoin once upon a time. So I kind of just leave it in there, and if I needed to add another card or if I needed to add just important information, even a photo in here, I definitely would just put it in there. So let's turn her around. So the interior part of the wallet is actually a more smooth leather, so I'm sure it can scuff really easily, but because it is inside, you don't have to really worry about that. So yes, this pocket is used to hold all of my rewards cards, maybe my not so important credit cards, and my gift cards. I have them in here. I'm gonna take some out, or take them all out for you to see. So of course I do have a Container Store credit card. And the reason why it's taped up is because I had used it online, but then I found out that I didn't. So then I had to tape it up because I didn't have to throw it away. So I have that. I have 2 gift cards or store credit cards from Bed Bath & Beyond, you know, a few others. And I also do have a library card. Yes, I do go to the library, especially with Sabria. So we do have a card, or I do have a card. Because I don't carry around coins, I'm not going to use this area to hold my coins. My coins either sit in my junk drawer or it sits in my car. So I don't carry around coins, which is why I use this for something else. My goal is to try to keep the shape of this wallet as much as I can, and if you were to carry around coins, it will stretch it out. And that's not what I wanted to do for this wallet. I want to make sure that it's flat. Plus, again, I don't carry around coins, so it doesn't really make a difference to me. So if you're someone who must have a lot of cards with them, I would definitely encourage you possibly getting a small wallet that has a pocket more so than a lot of card slots, because then you could just put all your cards together and kind of just put it away. There's no point in your cards being out if you're not using them, which is why I really love this wallet, because the 3 card slots are just perfect. I have 3 major credit cards. I don't need a full card slot area, but because I do have this pocket, I just put my remaining cards in here and it just kind of hides behind this flap. So there is also a cash area or flap where I can put my cash or my receipts. I have about $2 in there. I really don't carry around cash as much as I do my card, but you know, I think it is great to have this area. Of course, you don't need me to tell you what you can put in this area. You can put anything in this area. The Coach logo is also right here. That's basically it, guys. That's my new wallet. I am so obsessed with it. Outside of the beautiful color, it just works so great in my life. It's so functional. It makes sense to me. I no longer care to have a big wallet. I love just small wallets. I love small bags, medium-sized bags too. But it's just great because I no longer have to carry around cards that I no longer need, stuff I no longer need, information I no longer need. I can still carry around receipts, but you know, I don't have to, you know, I don't have the space for it. So like I said earlier, I really don't care to carry around coins. And because I want to keep its shape, I don't think I should carry around coins in this wallet. But yeah, it's a really great quality wallet. I do look forward to having it for a very long time. This is my only wallet, so I'm sure there's going to be more wear and tear, but I think it's going to look really good when it comes to this type of leather. So I'm really excited about it. I've been using it now for about almost a month, and yeah, it already has made a big difference in the heaviness of my purse and just using it. By the way, another reason why I got this color is because I carry around a lot of black purses, and a lot of times my wallet will kind of camouflage inside my purse, but because it's a color, I can find my wallet really easily. So let me know in the comment section below if you already are using a small wallet. Also, Let me know where you got it from, the brand, maybe the location, the store, whatever it is. Let me know in the comment section below. All right, you already know what time it is. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And thank you so very much for watching this video. And as always, I'll see you soon. Bye.